Tennessee tranquility. Peace is waiting there for me. Tennessee tranquility. That's where I need to be. Mountain air so sweet and clean. Prettiest place I've ever seen. Troubles fade away in the light of day. Tennessee tranquility. Peace is waiting there for me. Tennessee tranquility. That's where I need to be. Take me back to that place where my soul finds grace. Take me back to that ground where my peace is found. Tennessee tranquility. Peace is waiting there for me. Tennessee tranquility. That's where I need to be. Tennessee's calling me. That's where I need to be. Tennessee tranquility. Set my spirit free.
Welcome back, beautiful and amazing human beings, for another day in Livingston, Tennessee.